Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to a new program. This is the creative team. We are here with teacher. Assalamu alaikum teacher, thank you for being here today. Assalamu alaikum. No, thank you for inviting me to your program. Always happy to help students. Thank you. Well, students have many questions about learning English. So, today we will be asking you those questions so that you can help us improve English. Okay, she says, how can I learn English grammar effectively? Let's start. Then these questions come from Fatma. She is from Lahore. Assalamu alaikum. How can I learn English grammar effectively? That's a good question. Learning English grammar effectively requires a combination of study and practice. I will recommend start with basic grammar rules and gradually move to more advanced topics. Use grammar books or online resources that explain the rules with examples. Doing exercises and puzzles can help reinforce what you have learned. Try to apply grammar rules when you speak or write in English, watching videos that explain grammar concepts in a simple way can also be helpful. Practice writing sentences using new grammar rules and get feedback if possible. Feedback is really important. Remember, regular practice and review will help you understand and remember grammar better. Excellent. Okay, she is from Pindi. How can I practice English if I am shy? Well, if you are shy or nervous about practicing English, start by practicing alone or with a close friend. You can talk to yourself in English, describe your surroundings, or read books. Gradually, you can join online language exchange groups where you can practice speaking with others. Without face to face pressure, writing in English, such as keeping a journal or participating in online forums, and also build your confidence. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will be. Try to make small steps and be patient with yourself. Thank you, ma'am. Now there is another girl. She's asking, how can I prepare for English proficiency exams? To prepare for English proficiency exams, start by understanding the exam format and types of questions. Allocate time each day to practice each skill, review grammar, and extend your vocabulary. By reading books and articles in English, practice writing essays or reports or different topics, and get feedback if possible. Listen to English audio materials to improve your listening skills. So that is all for today's video. My dear viewers, kindly share your views through comment section. Thanks a lot.